In this video, we will be seeing how to use do-while loop in Java programming. So do-while loop is one of the looping statements which is going to execute same set of statements again and again till the specified condition satisfies or is true. And when the condition is not true, then it executes only for once the statements, and then it will not execute the loop. It will skip the loop and continues with remaining part of program execution. So in case of do while loop, we will be specifying the condition at the ending, and we will be writing the statements to be executed before the condition is checked. So let's see how it is done. So in case of do while loop, the syntax is do keyword followed by the statements for execution. So here there is a block of statements which will get executed, and if we are using any variable which is initialized, so initialization happens before the do while loop starts, then that variable will be incremented or decremented based on the requirement. Based on requirement, it is incremented or decremented. That is this variable which is initialized here. And then at last the condition is checked, which is placed after the while keyword at the ending. And we end this with a semicolon always. So like this, the syntax or do while loop is used in a Java program. Now let's see how it is written. So before that, let's write a simple definition here. Do while loop is a looping statement which executes same set of statement or statements repeatedly in a loop till the condition is true. When condition is false, the statements are executed only for once, and that is because in do while, condition is checked after statements execution. So before statements are executed and then the condition is checked. You can see here two statements and then we have kept while condition. So according to the syntax, first the statements are getting executed and then we have the condition checking. So do while is a looping statement, and then it executes till the condition is true and stops when condition false. And if the condition is false, then also it executes the statements but only for once. So when condition is false, statements are executed only for once. And when the condition is true, it repeatedly executes the statements in a loop, and it executes only for once because in do while condition is checked after statements execution. So this is the syntax for do while, and now let's see how to execute do while loop in a Java program, and I'm doing that in Eclipse IDE. So I will be giving the example in Eclipse IDE. So here already there is a while loop which we have seen. While loop in Java we have used already and seen a program for that. So for that while loop we have taken a variable with value 16, condition we have given I less than equal to 15. So when we check this condition according to this I value 16, 16 less than equal to 15 or not, we are checking. So as 16 is not less than 15, the condition is false. So it will not execute these statements. This block execution will never happen because this condition is false. And when we execute it, we get only thank you printed on screen because the condition is false and it will not execute the while loop and we are getting only thank you message. This is not in case of do while. So let's see how do while loop is used. I am keeping the variables as it is for initialization. Then I will be keeping do keyword followed by statements. Statement I will be writing system dot out dot println, and then I will be printing the I value. So I is I value I will be printing, and then I will be incrementing I value for every cycle. So this will happen, and at ending the while condition comes where the condition I'm going to keep if I is less than or equal to 15. And after this we need to end it with semicolon. So this is do while loop. Now let's see what happens if the condition is false first. So I equal to 16, you can see when we are seeing the condition 16 is less than equal to 15, we can clearly see that the condition is false. But what will be the result in case of do while? Let's see. So we are getting I16 printed, which is coming from the do statements from this part. It is executing these statements. That is the reason we are getting the I value. That is I printed as 16. And then after checking the condition, because condition is false, condition is not satisfying, it is giving you false result, then it will never execute again the statements because of condition false, and then it prints thank you. So that is the reason first time it is printing before checking condition I16 it is printing, and after checking condition it stops the do while loop and prints thank you. But if condition is true, if I keep the initial value 1, then I get I value printed from 1 to 15 and then thank you. So you can see even if the condition is false, it is printing I value for once. So we can say in while loop, if the condition is false, it will never execute the loop or statements, and it will skip the loop or block of statements and continues with remaining part of program. So it is printing only thank you in case of while loop, but in case of do while loop, if the condition is false, it is printing I value then thank you. So it is executing the statements for once even if the condition is false. But if the condition is true, both the type of statements while and do while both are printing 1 to 15 and then thank you. So that is the difference between while and do while loop. Do while will print or execute statements only for once, even if condition is false, unlike while. So thank you for watching the video, and for more updates on control statements of Java and other topics of Java and also other computer programming languages, please do subscribe the channel.